Yo, what's up, YouTube? In this video, I'm talking about how to build personal brand MVP. So, boom, you wanna build your brand. You gotta upload half a dozen to 1,000 videos. Create videos that's already in demand. Like I just made a couple, and that shit was fire. That's what I'm saying. Like, for you, gotta make a some that's already in market demand. Like, and you make it your own way. It's like not the same bullshit everybody's talking about. Like, and if yours is better, then yours is better, and that's better for you because you're not saying the same shit somebody else is saying. So it's better for you. And then you just want to upload like half a dozen to 1,000 of those videos so it gains traction organically. And then you have like probably like your own product, your MVP, your minimal viable product, right? A great offer that could really transform your audience result. You coming off like a advisor for them, comes right, boom, consultant or advisor for them. And then you have your MVP too, and that's gonna be better for you because now you having a great offer. You want to be the 1 out of 10 that actually transforms your audience results. Like, everybody's saying the same shit everybody's saying from years ago, bro. So you just want to make sure your shit is better. Just don't say the same shit everybody's saying, and your shit's better. Or do market research so your shit is better. Like, is it like confirmed, like that the shit they're talking about is real? Like, because then you misinforming, and like 9 out of 10 is already misinforming. So you want to be a 1 out of 10, like it's confirmed to be better, the latest. So boom. So even whatever you might say 5 years from now, shit might update, and you just gotta put a different variable to your own thing, update it. That's without saying the same shit everybody else is saying, and your shit already being updated. You're gonna still have to update it years from now and make it better. Yeah. So, but most things don't change. Like the shit I said in the last video, that shit don't change. That's like cool right there. Um, make it so like it's better. Alright. Then we're gonna create better titles, thumbnails, topics. You're offering like you tell me, like, so like check give me your email, sign up for my thing here, and then you want to learn more about all of this, get my program. Um, there you go. Or else you also got to sell your family's houses to get in my programs, and also, you know, and then you just keep being consistent every day. Promote yourself. Um, you just keep being consistent. All right. Um, Now you want to build business credit to promote your MVP too. It's gonna give you traction. Like, you can create a pre-roll ad on Google AdWords. You can link up your channel, and then you link up the keywords that you wanna have your ads be shown on. So like the videos, the pre-rolls, you say like real quick, like, yeah, you wanted to check out a video on how to learn about this, right? Alright, you can learn about this, but also rather than this, like, so you can also learn about this, which is what I'm talking about. So check out my stuff, and then now you growing, you hijacking their audience. You can also say in there, subscribe. So and now you hijacking them through business credit, and you promoting your offer too. Getting set up for your program. it's a funnel. Really, and then, cause you bringing them to like a funnel. You checking you out. You promoting yourself in front of other people. Shit, like you hijacking their audience through business credit. That's how you grow your channel and juice it like up. Like it's already like probably like some fans, but that's how you get like more of them. Like you want like more. Like that's how you get more of them. Like loyal. Or you only need like 1,000 loyal followers. Like man, you gonna be rocking. Like they gonna buy all your houses. Like for real, cause they gonna get all your programs. They get loyal followers. Hell yeah, that's how that shit works. Um, so yeah, you gotta keep telling them like, yo, like, comment, subscribe, keep being consistent. You promote your MVP through like Thinkific, use WAP at first, and then use Thinkific, create so courses. Alright, you want to create an MVP. You want to transform your audience results. You want to be that 1 out of 10. Like that's really gonna aim for that. Not just just be the 1 out of 10, bro. Uh, you get the annual deal, whatever. They have an affiliate link here. So once you create a loyal followers list, people, groups, and stuff, you can also tell them like, yeah, you could promote my stuff, and you could get affiliate kickback, and then now they promoting your stuff too. Um, you can also network with others in your niche that have this one of these, and tell them let me get an affiliate link to promote your stuff. You can make affiliate money, but it's better you make your own um, product like your own MVP. So boom, you start here, and then bring it over here. You could probably get a software developer too to create your own shit. So you don't have to pay that fee right there. Once they coded it for you and they made it simple for you, you don't gotta keep paying them that same fee. You got your own software. That'll be your full source stack. See, 120, bro. You'll hook up like when you want them to put like a whole program and everything, create the software for me on my domain. They in the Philippines and in India, they get paid less per like $5 an hour a day or whatever. So they go do that for you. They're gonna create the software for you. Now you don't gotta keep paying them this fee every month, hundreds or whatever. And now it's in your domain. The whole software is in your domain. Yeah, the software developer put it there. Like he made it for you full stack. Like he made everything for you. Now you don't have to pay them hundreds. It's in your domain, your server. Like he gonna hook you up. Grab like a team member who knows about that shit too to help you update it every time you update your product. So your thing is not inside of nobody's program. It's in your domain. Your software developer. Maybe that's the same thing they're doing. They have a software developer that has like for everybody to have their stuff in there, but you can have your own stuff, like your own stuff, and you're not paying no hundreds of fees, nothing. But that's the goal. You want to start there, work your way to the software developer. His premium is 780. Everything you need. Look, full stack. My nigga, full stack. There you go. That's what the YouTube channel MVP. That's the MVP. Alright, so the MVP, you want to create like a Google Docs, like a table, contents of everything. Boom. You want to put it here, put the names, like what it's about, and you're already selling it. Once you sold it, and it's like weeks in, you're gonna tell them like, all right, I'm gonna start dripping in the content. You're gonna start putting in like drip in, like it's coming. I sold it. It's an MVP. You knew what it was about. Now it's coming because I just sold it. Cause it's all about creating a great product. And first, you want to make sure like this is what they want before you make a great product, because then you're gonna waste your time. That's the whole point of the MVP. You got to create market demand first. There you go. Um, Now there's people like making mad bands, but you just gotta believe your product is gonna be the greatest product, and you can charge more bands. Like people charging like 12, 20 bands. Like you create a great transformation for your audience, you can charge more bands. The greater your product is, you can charge more bands. Like that's the MVP. So that's why like people have a YouTube channel for us for the MVP. There we go. So you want to upload like half a thousand videos to 1,000 videos, and then you want to create an MVP. They're already gonna start telling you and commenting you like, and that's when you know like you're creating market demand. And when you start selling the MVP, you start dripping it in. There you go. I hope y'all found it useful. That's the create a personal brand MVP. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. You heard? Peace.